6 broke the story of a convicted sex predator who became an overnight multimillionaire after winning the Florida lottery.
Now we've learned he has just settled a lawsuit filed against him by his accusers. Investigator Mike DeForest joins us now with breaking new details, new at 6. And Mike, that civil case was supposed to go to trial this week.
On Tuesday, Ginger. Jurors in that civil case would have been asked to decide whether or not Timothy Poole molested 2 young boys in the 1990s, and if so, whether they should receive a cut of his lottery winnings. But at the last minute, a confidential settlement was reached. When Timothy Poole won $3 million on a scratch-off ticket in 2014, Florida lottery officials did not know what we did. Poole is a convicted sex predator who served 3 years in prison for sexually battering a 5-year-old and 9-year-old, allegations Poole adamantly denies. Shortly after we broke the story about the sex predator's big jackpot, Poole's alleged victims, now adults, filed this lawsuit against the multimillionaire. Tonight, News 6 has learned the parties have reached a confidential settlement.
There is no price tag for something like that.
The plaintiff's attorneys say they cannot discuss details about the agreement. In their lawsuit, the alleged victims claim Poole was a family friend and babysitter who molested them for more than a year.
One of the concerns that our clients had was that this individual does not use the power of the money that he's received to victimize others.
Poole was not around when we stopped by the Mount Dora house where he is registered as a sex predator, and he has not returned our calls and emails seeking comment. After winning the lottery, Poole moved into this 20-year-old mobile home across the street from his old trailer. We're told he may have used some of his winnings to expand his late mother's taxi cab business. Tonight, it appears at least some of the money from this check may be headed to the alleged victims, who say they suffered physical and psychological harm. The plaintiff's lawyers credit a Florida law passed in 2010 that removed time limits for child sex abuse victims to file lawsuits against their attackers. We're told the victims did not file a lawsuit back against Poole back when this occurred in 1996 because he simply did not have many assets back then.
Well, it makes sense then because he didn't have money. So now that he has money and there's no statute of limitations.
They could have done it whenever.
Okay, so is it still legal for sex predators or sex offenders to play the lottery?
It was when he won, and it still is. Now, back right after Timothy Poole won that jackpot, some state legislators tried to pass a law that would have put sex offenders' winnings in an escrow account for a year in case any victims were to come forward. That proposal failed, though.
Very interesting. Mike DeForest reporting for us. Thank you.